Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a chest in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of things that you will require first, and that is nothing but just your wooden planks. So what you need to do is have wooden planks with you. And you might be wondering how many of it you might need, as many as you might have. The only thing you need is a crafting table then. So once you have a crafting table and the wooden oak, the planks, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and place down a crafting table. Then you want to simply go ahead and place down all these just like that. And there you go. There's a chest. I'm going to create two so I can simply go ahead and stack these. So once I have two, all I need to do is simply go ahead and place it right beside each other. And that is about it. You can simply go ahead and use it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.